Hi, welcome. My name is Maureen O'Connell. I am an associate professor of religion and theology and the chair of that department at LaSalle. And so, on behalf of my colleagues who are pictured here, and I am on that second row, the second in from the left, I just want to say congratulations and welcome. Um, Welcome to a virtual experience of our department. And I want to give you just a little bit of an overview of who we are so that you have a little bit of a sense of what to expect should you decide to join us in the fall. I think I would just really quickly point out we have two on the right hand side. There are two Christian brothers in our department, which is a really distinct feature and something that we're really quite delighted about. And the first is Brother John Crawford there on the top, and then the second there on the second row is Brother Michael McGinnis, who used to be our President Emeritus. These are the full-time faculty, and we have just as many part-time faculty who are all very passionate about the department and the work that we do. So really quickly, why it's important for you to know a little bit about us is that all students who join LaSalle University's academic community, are required to take an introductory course in religion called Religion Matters. So we have an opportunity to interact with all students across the university, and we are really excited about that. And this is part of the university's core curriculum. I'm sure you are learning about that or hearing more about it. But all of us at LaSalle really think that religion is a global phenomenon and a fundamental dimension of the human experience. And so we think it's important that our students develop some fundamental skills to think critically about religion, whether their own personal experience with it or the way that it functions in their communities or in our society on the local, national, or global level. So all students will take this course. All of our faculty teach this course, and they all teach it a bit differently, but it tries to answer three basic questions, which you see there, right? Why does religion matter in your own experience? What matter or elements of religion do most religions share? What dimensions do they share? And then how is religion important or relevant, or how does it matter in our national or global community? I think one of the things that is really exciting about this course is that students in that last question have an opportunity to start to look for places where religion is operating in the world. And here's a great example connected to the COVID-19 virus that has us connecting virtually rather than in each other's presence this weekend. But this was a story that ran in the New York Times about nuns in Philadelphia, Catholic nuns in Philadelphia, and the work they did in the Spanish flu epidemic. And so, in the Religion 100 course, I'd imagine there's some faculty who are asking students to explore that. I think another thing that's quite significant and that would make your experience perhaps of religion a bit different at LaSalle is the fact that our faculty are experts. Our faculty don't just teach knowledge, but they generate knowledge. And so here, as my pointer kind of shows up on the screen, this is a book written by Margaret McGinnis in our department, literally an award-winning book on nuns and the role of nuns in American history. So she's literally written the book on this. So you are going to have an opportunity to engage faculty doing some work. And this book over here on the corners, these are some of my own works. So something that's really important. I think the other thing that we would say is that beyond that course in particular, students have an opportunity, if you have a great experience in that class, to take a variety of other religion classes that meet elective requirements or institutional learning outcome requirements in the department. So here's just some flyers of some of the courses that we offer. And we do offer courses that do really unique things. So for example, this semester I am teaching with a colleague in public health in one of the jails in the Philly prison system for women. And the course is called Women in Social Change. And half of the students are from LaSalle. You can see here at the prison, there's a really neat mural that's been done there. Half the students are from LaSalle, half are from outside or from inside the correctional facility. It's a really fantastic opportunity. So we do a lot of innovative stuff. Another example of a really neat course that we're offering right now, meditation and mindfulness. So students learn the value of meditation, its roots in various religious traditions, some of the practices. And then here's a great picture from Professor Julie Reagan, who teaches that course, taking students nearby into the Fairmount Park to do a forest bathing walk. So again, trying to do innovative things. If you were to join us in the fall, we've got two really timely courses, religion and politics, and then a course that I'll be teaching on faith-based community organizing. So we try to do a lot of innovative things. We also try really hard to make Philadelphia a resource that our students and our faculty use. So there's me behind the wheel with a whole bunch of first-year students last fall, heading out to visit a local church. And here's just an example of different ways that our students are out and about with faculty. So some of those pictures are from a recent Hindu festival in the fall. Here are some students engaging a city council person connected to that organizing class. So a variety of different things that we are doing with our students. I think the other thing that I would add is that the religion department, a lot of the offerings that we have are very much connected to the university's mission, which is an education that works to prepare you to live both a fulfilling life and a good life, but also a life that's committed to the common good and the good of others. So this is just a sampling from the last 2 years of different activities that students have done, either through our department or through courses that we offer, to really get involved with and make public and prophetic stances around issues that are important to them. Lastly, I would say that some of our classes really take students off campus and beyond the city of Philadelphia and out into the world. So travel studies to Greece, travel studies to northern India to engage the Tibetan community in exile there is really important. Also, we tend to bring experts to campus. And in fact, if the COVID virus hadn't happened, we would have invited and hosted a group of Tibetan monks to come and make a gorgeous medicine sand mandala for us next week. So they won't be with us, but we do host and collaborate with other departments to bring folks to campus. And to that end, we also have an annual lecture series that helps students in our university community and also our surrounding Philadelphia community really engage the relevance of religion in their lived experience and in the world. So just this past fall, our topic looked at the question of Muslim women. We have a very significant Muslim population on our campus, which is such a gift, and learning a bit more about their experiences and the ways that they are living and interpreting their tradition. And, before that lecture, we gathered folks from our community with students and faculty. Here's our dean here, here's some faculty, some students, our speaker, for conversation, right? So we really try to create opportunity. Some of our students end up having a really great experience and are surprised, caught off guard by how much they enjoy their classes and decide to declare a major. So this is just a quick little overview of what that would look like if it was something that you were interested in. We have a really great community of students, a really diverse community of students. We have a close-knit faculty. We have a student lounge where we really try to help students have a sense of belonging. So we're really proud of the work that we do. Sampling of some events. Some of these things we're talking about doing a virtual ice cream social online in the coming weeks, just to continue to hold space for our students. So we think it's a really exciting place to be. We're really proud of the students who graduate, and here they are. Just a sampling of some of them, really proud of them. We have a nice network of alumni, many of whom come back to campus. So this is a collection of students and alumni. We have students who go on to post-volunteer work, let's say here in the Peace Corps. This is a student who's in a pre-law internship. This student has gone on to graduate school. Here is another who's doing some work in the LaSallian Volunteer Corps, another one doing some work with the LaSallians in Bethlehem, at Bethlehem University. So really a vibrant group of folks. That's just a small sampling of us. So again, that's a little bit about religion. If you have looking for more information, here is my contact information. I'd be happy to talk with you, but we'd also encourage you maybe to follow us on social media and see what we're going to be up to, especially for the rest of this semester. We're really going to try to have a vibrant presence there. So once again, thank you so much for your interest in LaSalle. And we very much look forward, hopefully, to welcoming you to campus in the fall. Stay healthy with your family. Stay focused on the things that bring you joy, and be well. Thank you. Bye.